Okay, so this is our multiplying decimals part 2 video. So we went here, we did that, and we multiplied. 3 times 5 is 15. We grouped to 1. 3 times 1 is 3, plus 1 is 4. And then last part, you had to count how many numbers were behind the decimal in the problem and put the same amount of numbers behind the decimal in your answer. So if there's one number behind the decimal in the problem, then there should be one number behind the decimal in our answer. So our answer, 1 and 5/10 times 3 is equal to 4 and 5/10. All right, so let's do example 2. We're going to glue this down here, but after we finish. So example 2, I don't know why I did this one. I was trying to do this one at the bottom. I guess I can still do that. It is 2 and 4/10 times 1 and 7/10. The first thing we need to do is line up the numbers. So it'll be 2.4 times 1.7. I'm lining up the numbers. My decimals just happen to line up as well, but my goal is to line up the numbers, okay? So the next part is multiply like normal, right? Multiply like normal. My problem again is 2.4, 2.4 times 1.7. So this is 1 times the ones, 1 times the tens. Even though this is not ones, these are just the steps. These are tenths. Tenths times the tenths, tenths times the ones, but we don't want to ruin our little step song. So it's 1 times the ones, 1 times the tens. Put a 0 up on the ones place, 10 times the ones, 10 times the tens, add the two products together. 7 times 4 is 28. Put down the 8, regroup to 2. 7 times 2 is 14, plus 2 is 16. Put that 0 there. 1 times 4 is 4, and 1 times 2 is 2. Last step, add the two products together. 8 plus 0 is 8. 6 plus 4 is 10. Put down the 0, regroup to 1. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 1 is 4. So now I come up here. Count how many numbers are behind the decimal in my problem. There are one number here, one number here. So 1 plus 1 is 2. There are two numbers behind the decimal in the problem. I'm going to come up here and put 2 numbers behind the decimal. And my answer for the final answer is 4.08. That's my final answer. And that's example 2. You should rewind this and till you get these two down. You should be making exactly what I'm making. All right. Next up, part 3.